Friends, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can very quickly and easily change the language of Google Maps on your Android device. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put, friends, your likes under this video, and also write your comments after watching. And let us get started with you. If for any reason you would like to change the language in the Google Maps app, first of all, find the app on your Android device. Open it up. Now you'll need to tap on your image at the top right-hand side. Then, at the bottom, tap Settings. In the settings at the very top, you'll see an option called App Language. Click on it. And now from the many languages that are offered here, you can choose any language that's more suitable for you to use this app. In my case, it will be Chinese. After that, you will have to confirm the language change. Wait a few seconds for the whole system to refresh. And the language will be changed, especially if it's a language you haven't used before. And as you can see, now absolutely all the settings I have in Google Maps in another language in Chinese. That's the way it is, friends. You can quickly and easily change the language in the Google Maps app on any Android. I hope this video has helped you, friends. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments for sure, and also subscribe to this channel, friends. Bye-bye.